oops, so your work got stuck somewhere and now you have that ugly piece. So let's fix that. First, you want to secure your stitches so they don't fall off your needle, and then work that stitch like up and down into the sides and up. Now see, it's that one there. Now see which way it was stretched. So let's see, let's pull this one this way, a little. Yeah, there we have it. So that it can get even with the others. So it's this one here. And that's it.